Welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change text tone sounds on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. In the settings, scroll down and find the Sounds and Haptics. Then after that, go to Sounds and Haptics Pattern section, then choose the text tone. Then in the text tone, if you want your sounds play with alert tones, then choose the kind of tones that you want in this part. You can enable certain sounds by clicking it until there's a check mark on the side. And it is now enabled. And if you want your sounds play with ringtones, then choose the kind of tones that you want in this part. And that's it. We have successfully changed text tone sounds on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!